Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is April 30th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold, give you guys some levels that we're going to be looking at. For those who enjoy these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, thank you guys very much. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to answer you guys. Other than that, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm going to give you some of the major levels I got here on S&P. I'll hand it over to Wendy after to give you some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over some of the levels on gold as well. So with S&P 500, do got a main support here at 4175, which you can see we bounced off twice already, and we haven't really broke down. We tried to come down a little bit more, but we didn't. So I want to see if this market can still hold 4175 and then pull back up into 4186. I do think that's maybe where we're going to head to for the US session, but we'll see what happens. 4186 as a level of resistance as of right now. If we get above that, I am looking for the market to try to pop up a little bit more. I do have another level that may come into play a little bit above that, which is a small little peak here at 4191.25, but we'll see how that works. Under that, 4164 is a next level of support, and below that, 4151.25. With that, guys, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She's going to do some of the minor levels for you guys for the US session.
Good morning, Dave, and our beautiful traders in Discord and in YouTube. Even though the London market gave us a violent double top at 42,112 area, it has not yet broken the support that Dave said at 41.75. And by the way, that's the neck of that double top. So if we keep holding it, then we are going to move up. And we might go all the way back up to our main resistance there at 42.11. But we do have some micro peaks up there that we have to plow through first. And those are 87.25. That was created on the 23rd. And also 93.75. That was created on the 28th. So what we need to see, if the market's strong enough, we need to see the market pop way above those and then come back down to use as support. We'll see how it behaves around this major support though. If the market does drop below it, we have a micro peak way down there at 41.51.25, and below that we have a peak and also its support at 41.40. So we do have Dave's main levels, we have the micro levels, and we will definitely make some money today as we always do. Just be locked and loaded on all those areas. Wait for your candle confirmation, follow your rules-based entry, and you will be A-okay. Dave, my man, what's going on with gold?
Awesome. Good job. Good job. All right, let's pull over gold for you guys, give you guys a little bit of a look at what we're looking at. For gold, we were in a pretty tight range, honestly. We had support here between 63.7 to 65.4. You can see we bounced off a couple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then we started to head up. I do think we're going to try to break back up into 74.6 and then go above that to our next levels of resistance. I am going to target some levels above that. Going to be right around 80.9 and then 82.8 as a level. So I'm going to highlight that for us this morning as some levels of resistance on the way up. But I do think we're going to try to press up into those 74s. At this point, we couldn't break down during the London session. So what this does show is that we may have more upside movement here on gold to retest our levels of resistance on the upside. So we're going to look for that. Really not too difficult. You can see the range that we played for the London session. And we're going to try to continue to do that on the upside for today. Again, support's going to come in 63.7 to 65.4. Underneath that, we're going to have levels of support at 58.8 and then 47.9. But again, I'm still going to be looking for the upside levels moves. So we'll see what happens here on gold. With that, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.